And when you get this message, you just click yes again. And then you click finish. All right, voila, you've got DotNetNuke template, okay, in Visual Web Developer.
That was hard.
That was it. That was it. Okay. You know, and then all you have to do is just load Visual Web Developer, which this is what it's going to look like on the screen. All right, and you're going to see under my templates DotNetNuke. So then down here, you basically direct it where you want your site to go. And then once you click OK, all right, take a couple sips on your coffee because all of the the project needs to build, the files needs to build, it takes a little time.
You would install the same kind of template on Visual, the full-fledged Visual
Studio. Yeah. Okay. And then what you're going to do is, once you see the files appear, the screen appear, okay, it's going to tell you that you need to press Control F5, all right, for the project to build. So then the project is going to build, and then what's going to happen is that this ASP.NET little local server is going to pop up. All right? So we're not doing the IIS way, we're just going to do it this way, just to kind of take a look at DotNetNuke. All right? Now, they give you different options to use for custom installation or typical installation or just auto installation. It just bypasses the wizard. Okay? And if you didn't want your database to be named the default name, then you can change. You go back, to the typical. All right, change it that way. But you can just click auto, and then you see all the files successfully built, and then scroll down to the bottom and just click to access support. All right, click to access support when you want. Okay. So it's a relatively easy install that way. Especially for newbies that don't know IIS and don't even have it on their PC, okay, when it was installed. All right, technically people can do the IIS way and get the other package if you want. Okay, and set up the file permissions and all of that. And then to load it, okay, the second time around, what you're going to do is you're going to, here's the way it looks in Visual Web Developer, okay? And then all I'm going to do is scroll down and find the default ASPX, right click, and then just scroll and view it browser. Okay?
When you choose, for example, Outlook, now you're saying that IIS was not needed. So who serves the pages? Who does that service?
Right here. It's on the local server, on your PC.
It's the ASP.NET.
It's the ASP.
It's
the
development.
Development
server. You have to have ASP.NET.
It's with Visual Web Development. It's with Visual Web Development. Okay? So here's what we did. Okay? We downloaded and installed Visual Web Developer. Okay? We downloaded and installed SQL Server Express. Okay? And then we went to DotNetNuke and we registered and we downloaded the starter kit.
Okay. So under this scenario, I have to first load with the element.
It'll do it automatically when I right-click and view and browse it.
Okay.
This will pop up. Okay?
Yeah.
And it gives you your own URL.
Now I can put
Okay. So there's my site. And there's my web server. So then, we've got to understand a little bit of DotNetNuke and what it has to offer as far as, okay, who are the players involved now that I have this website up? Okay? Once I see this screen, okay, down below, it's going to give me my default login for admin and default login for host. Okay? So in admin, morning for coming. Morning. In admin, each portal has its own admin for managing the settings. So what Tracy has is under those 800 websites that he has, okay, he's got 800 admins, and he's one host. All right, so he's the boss, and he's got all of these other people bound down to him. Okay?
So host is above administrator?
Mm-hmm. So a host manages the settings for those portals. And then you have your users, okay? And you talk about, okay, so who's going to be using my site, and do I want to authorize these users or not? Okay? That's, you want it to be public users, you want it to be private users, you want it to be authorized, okay? So that's what's next, is, okay, so, who do I, starting to learn this, all right, who are my users going to be? Okay? And then you have others, anyone that's allowed to serve the portal. Now, with DotNetNuke, one of the things that you can do is you have a lot of security. Security on pages and security on modules. So you can have people surfing your site and go to specific pages or not go to specific pages, depending upon how you set it up. All right? You can have them go to a certain page but not see certain modules that are on that page. All right? So this is the advantage of being able to work with a portal like this. Any questions on that? Everybody good? All right.
Just out of curiosity, can they transverse portals? Can I have one security place where same user can be on different portals?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. You have to assign who that user is going to be.
On each.
On each one.
Okay. So the answer is
Yeah. All right. So next is, okay, so how do I create pages in DotNetNuke, and how do I create child pages, which would go underneath. All right? Very easy in regards to what we have to do. Let me just log in. I'll log in as host. It's spelled right. And then here you can see that I had a page already that you did not see, okay, that was set up. Now, what's going to happen is when you first go into this, all right, that, brand new, all right, you need to show the control panel which gives this, okay? And here you can see the page functions in regards to adding, all right, copying, exporting, importing, deleting, all right, pages like that. Okay? So let's go to my page 1. And then we talked about this, the security roles, okay? And then what you would do is you would assign your roles here. Okay? So here you can see, by default, you've got admin, registered users, and subscribers. So if you were creating a website and you wanted to only have the marketing department put their own content on their own pages, then you would create a new role for marketing people. Okay? All right, good. And then you would basically learn about the modules that come with DotNetNuke. So let's go back to here and let's take a look at the existing modules. Now, what's interesting for those people that have worked with DotNetNuke before is that you're seeing a lot of what used to be called settings are now listed as modules. So under, for example, banners and dashboard and extensions, I mean, what are these things, okay? Title thing, okay? These all used to be settings, all right? Now, the other thing I want to draw your attention to is that when you do an initial install, you're not seeing all of the modules that the product has to offer by within the package. So click on the Install Additional Extensions, and then you can scroll down here to see